Welcome to Module 1 of Pathway 2, Cultural and Creative Industries. This is your first step into a world where culture and creativity shape identities, strengthen communities, and build the future. In this module, you'll discover how creativity isn't just about making art, it's about solving problems, telling stories, preserving traditions, and imagining new ways of living. Culture is a living, breathing force, woven through music, cuisine, dance, fashion, cinema, literature, and shared practices. It helps us connect, understand each other, and dream of a better future. You'll learn how cultural and creative industries are some of the fastest growing in the world, creating jobs, revitalizing communities, and making space for new voices and bold ideas. Together, we'll explore how creativity and culture can drive innovation, inclusion, economic growth, and sustainability, locally and globally. Let's get started. The world of culture and creativity is waiting for you.